We lived in the basement all winter. I put it on charge yesterday.
You use the solar panels to charge that up?
No, I didn't. The tractor battery we did. We used the tractor battery in there over the winter. And I got to replace it with a deep cycle battery I have at home.
What is that?
That's just a drain for the battery.
Oh, because it's liquid?
Yeah. There's vapors that come off of it.
Is that the sad cable?
That's the sad cable. That's right.
Good old vice grip.
Good old vice grip. Yep. That's a sad cable.
The thing with the show last night just cracked me.
Oh, that was funny. Should be dead by now. Oh, that's hilarious. Funny guy.
This little guy's an old sucker, isn't he?
Yep. It's been around. It's been donated a few times. Philip got it donated to him, and then he donated it to me.
And I think somebody else had it secondhand before Philip.
Yeah, Bob had it.
Yeah.
And that's our mouse protection.
Ah, what is that?
Mothballs.
Mothballs. Okay.
Put mothballs all the way around it. It seems to keep the mice away. They don't chew on the wire so far.
So far.
Okay. Check oil.
But this is year 3, so.
Yeah, I think it's so far okay.
Mm-hmm.
We're full.
Does it burn much oil?
No, not too much. All what I do is I put some fuel conditioner in it, run it through, check the oil, take the battery out. That's about all we do for the winter. Choke it. Fully engaging. I put new belts on it last year, but the belts weren't the best.
Or they're used or just not quite the right fit?
Not quite the right fit, I don't think. It just seems like the clutches or the belts aren't fully. It could be there's a variable drive on it,
Mm-hmm.
and they get wore out after a while.
Right.
And this tractor is quite old, so she's been around the block quite a few times.
Hence the wooden wheel on the cutter deck.
That's right. That's patented.
That's right. Secret squirrel plans.
might not be the proper one. This belt I got from Small Engine Repair in Yorkton. I think it was the right belt. This drive belt might not be wide enough.
Right.
Might have to get a new drive belt for that.
Because you got to go to the other side of the property.
Well, it'd be good to pick up I got a bunch of wood to
Oh.
pick up in there. So it'd be nice to see if that trailer works.
Mm.
Go pick up a load of wood.
Yeah,
You want to do that?
we could.
All right. Well, it was gifted by Daryl. One of the wheels needed a new tube, but looks like she'll work.
This is a salt little trailer.
Yeah, I gotta get a bungee or something for that.
Okay. What's that for?
Let's see if I can. Fire in the winter time.
Yeah, because even now it's too dry.
Yeah, it's too dry.
It's funny, you know. It's like, feels like about 5 seconds after the snow left. And you can't, because was it Thursday, 3 days ago? We were sitting behind the cabin with our water and the snowdrift.
Yep.
Last of that snow pile there, keeping it cold. And now it's just too dry to burn anything.